Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's make Rakhi card. Take a white sheet of paper, fold it and cut it in this manner. Cut a circle out of a yellow sheet. The same size of circle on your white sheet, just on one side. Color the outer part of your circle with brown color. Now paste the yellow circle on your sheet. From the same yellow sheet, cut two small triangles to make ears. Take googly eyes and paste it on the face of the lion. You can also use a black marker. Cut two small red colored triangles and paste them in the ears. A triangle from the red sheet to make the nose. With the help of a black sketch pen, complete the face of the lion just like this. Write a loving message for your brother and wish him happy Rakhi. Decorate with sketch pens, stickers and whatever you can think of.